balloon coming to Delhi, and Team NDTV is on board here. Now we will first like to show you the visuals that you will be witnessing once you are on board this. You'll be able to see the beauty of the Yamuna riverfront, the Asita Park, the green spaces of the DDA, all for about 8 to 10 minutes. And if we are, talking about how high in the air it can be, it will be around 100 to 120 feet in air. And it will be opening for public very shortly. In fact, this November itself, we are expecting that from Saturday, it will be open for public. So the very first kind of aerial experience that you will be witnessing, and if we talk about the fare, that is expected to be around 3,000 per head. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि कितनी ऊंचाई तक ये उड़ेगा?
मैम ये 120 फीट तक जाएगा और अगर हवा हमारे फेवर में रहती है तो हम 150 फीट तक जा सकते हैं।
तो आप कह रही हैं कि यमुना का रिवर फ्रंट है, जो ग्रीन पार्क्स बनाए गए हैं, दिल्ली की जो ग्रीन खूबसूरती है वो लोग यहाँ पर देख पाएंगे।
हाँ, डेफिनेटली वो लोग यहाँ इसको देख सकते हैं और यहाँ उनको पोल्यूशन भी फील नहीं होगा।
पोल्यूशन भी फील नहीं होगा। और ये अगर हम बात करें तो कितने लोग यहाँ पर कैपेसिटी होगी?
4 से 5 लोग हम एक साथ जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसकी कैपेसिटी इस बलून की उतनी ही है। डिफरेंट साइज़ के बलून्स होते हैं, बट ये साइज़ का 4 से 5 लोग।
So as you heard, you can come here with your entire family to witness it. It will be starting for public shortly, Saturday, this November itself. And in fact, we are in fact getting to know that apart from Basera Park, from where we are reporting, it will be available from 3 different sites as well. Now, apart from that, if we talk about the fare, because we know that's important, well, it is expected to be around 3,000 per head. So one of a type of experience, one of a type of aerial view that you're even now, my camera person Mukesh is showing you. This is just the half of it. You'll be able to experience all of it once it starts for public. The testing has been done by the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena himself, and he has said that this will certainly give one of a kind experience to the people of the national capital. And this has been one of the initiatives of the DDA, the Delhi Development Authority. So certainly all remains to be seen as to when, once it's open for public, how much will you be able to enjoy it, because we are sure from the experience we are getting here on air, you will certainly be coming back here for more. So this is the first time the people of Delhi will be witnessing it. What can you tell our viewers?
Yeah, it is a once in a lifetime experience. People used to go abroad to get this kind of a facility, and now it is available in your very town, Delhi. And you will be able to enjoy this facility at a very minimal cost. It's an opportunity which has come to you thanks to the LG and the DDA team. They have made it happen, and I am sure that a lot of people will enjoy this ride, right?
So we also want to know for how many minutes can a person, witness all of this aerial view, being in the air?
Each joyride is slotted to be about 8 to 10 minutes. And you can keep going again and again, pay for it.
So my last and very crucial questions for our viewers are that what will be the fare, sir, once it's open for public, and when is that happening?
It is starting on Saturday, that is on 29th. And the fare given is 3,000 plus GST, but thanks to the LG, it has been reduced as an inaugural offer to 2,000 rupees plus GST initially, till the thing picks up, and then we'll go back to 3,000.
Thank you, sir. So you heard all the details. So do come here for one of a kind experience, because this is the very first time that you will be witnessing the hot air balloon rides here in your town, Delhi itself. Now with camera person Mukesh, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.